Hello guys and girls, so in this video I'm going to be looking at the Karcher PC20 gutter and pipe cleaning set. I purchased myself because I had a blocked drain in two places and I thought it would be the sort of thing that I could try and fix myself without the need of calling someone out. So in this video I'm using this with the Karcher K4 jet washer. The first tip I'll give you is when you get the pipe out of the box, make sure that before you start trying to put it down the drain, you straighten the pipe out down the garbage, because that'll make things easier when you actually start to clean the drains. Other tip, which I realised soon after me starting this, is you need to make sure you're wearing gloves. So once the pipe starts going up, you have to do it in a motion where you put the pipe up a little bit and then bring it back down, and yeah, you need to be wearing gloves for that. So you'll soon see that I'll change and I'll start wearing gloves myself. As you can see here, what I'm doing is I pull the pipe back out and then I let the pipe pull itself back up. So I'm just letting it pull itself into the blockage, literally let it go, pull it back a bit, let it go, pull it back a bit, and just keep letting it, and eventually it'll start getting the blockage out slowly, as you can see here. Does get through the blockage. In total it probably took me about 40 minutes to do both my drains, so I had a blockage in the upstairs and the downstairs drainage pipe. simple setup, and really £59.99, can't go wrong. So here's a final clip of my drains clear after using the Karcher PC20 gutter and pipe cleaning set. Thanks for watching and see you in the future.